Assalamu alaikum. This is part A2 of step 3. Believe you have watched part A1. If not, please go and watch it and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Prepositional phrase. A phrase that acts as a preposition in a sentence is called a prepositional phrase. Examples: I went to England with my uncle. Here, with my uncle is prepositional phrase. The soldiers marched over the hill. Here, prepositional phrase is over the hill. Generally, the structure of a prepositional phrase is preposition plus determiner plus noun. Conjunctional phrase. A phrase that acts as a conjunction in a sentence is called a conjunctional phrase. Examples: she earns as much as possible. Here, as much as is a conjunctional phrase. He, as well as his sister, has come here. Conjunctional phrase is as well as. Interjectional phrase. A phrase that acts as an interjection in a sentence is called an interjectional phrase. Example: what a pity is undone. Here, what a pity is an interjectional phrase. Now we talk about non-finite phrases. Besides these 7 kinds, there are certain non-finite phrases. 1. Infinitive phrase. A phrase that acts like an infinitive in a sentence is called an infinitive phrase. Example: I want to go now. Here, to go now is an infinitive phrase. 2. Participle phrase. A phrase that works like a participle in a sentence is called a participle phrase. Example: being a doctor, he works in Paris. Here, participle phrase is being a doctor. 3. Gerund phrase. A phrase that acts as a gerund in a sentence is called a gerund phrase. Example: we heard him singing a song. Here, gerund phrase is singing a song. Please follow this caution for yourself, for your society. Stay safe and clean. At last, dear viewers, if you like my tutorial, please share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get the early notification when I will upload the new videos in future. Please stay beside our channel and give your valuable constructive comments. Thank you for watching.